In this video, I will show you how to cast off your work. I will be using 6.5mm knitting needles and a chunky wet yarn such as DMC Knitty 6. Casting off is how we finish our work, and to do this we need to remove our stitches securely from our needles. For your cast off row, knit the first 2 stitches. Then using the tip of the left needle, lift the first stitch up and over the second, over the tip of the needle. You have cast off your first stitch. Knit 1 more stitch from your left hand needle and pass your now first stitch up and over the second stitch and the tip of the needle. When you have 1 stitch left on your needle, cut your yarn, pull the needle out, making a slightly bigger loop, pull your yarn through and secure.